Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to free up disk space on Windows. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's get started. So I will be showing you a few methods here for you to free up disk space on Windows. First, go to your search menu, type run, and then type temp. Press OK and it will take you to temp folders. Now, deleting temporary folders is one of the easiest and safest way to free up disk space and sometimes even speed up your computer a bit. So you can select all or delete a specific file right here. Now take note, these are not essential to keep forever. Most of the time, they serve a purpose just once and after that, they just sit there taking up space. Second method, go to run again and then click open, type person symbol, temp, person symbol, and then tap on OK. By the way, person symbol, temp person symbol, this one is a shortcut that opens the user-specific temporary files folder too. Shall I say these are just leftovers from installations or updates, log files from programs or crash reports, cache files from browsers or applications. So all you have to do is to basically select all, click delete, or delete specific folders or files. So deleting some temporary files can help free up this space here on your Windows. Now the third method here, go to your PC and then this time what you're going to do is you have to right click the local disk that you're using, tap on Windows, and then here you have to look for software distribution, go to downloads and delete downloads right here. Why? These files are not needed after updates are installed. So once an update is successfully installed, the original install files are no longer necessary. Most of these files are here on the software distribution files. So you can just basically delete all download files right here, but take note, you should only delete the folder inside the download contents. Do not delete the entire software distribution. Next, go back to your PC, go to your local disk, right click, and then scroll down. Look for properties. This time, you have to tap on disk cleanup. Now wait for a couple of seconds as it is calculating things here. You will see the amount of space that you're going to gain once you proceed. So continue with scanning the files that you're about to delete. And then like what I've mentioned earlier, you will see the amount of space that you're going to gain. Tap OK and just continue. So last method, go to the search menu and then this time you have to look for command prompt and just follow what I'm going to type right here. So ipconfig /flash DNS, tap enter. This is a simple way to clear a small internal memory list used by Windows. So these are just a few ways and how to free up this space on Windows. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.